Hello and welcome on this tutorial on Melage software. Today we'll explore the menu option of Melage. First, let's look at the top left corner when we can see the file menu. Under this menu, we have several options. New project. To start a new project, load project. To open an existing project, save and save as, to save your project or save as your project. Import, to import to open MRI, ultrasound, or any other image. Melage is designed to handle two images simultaneously, allowing comparative analysis. And then when we finished with processing the image, we can export the image or the segmentation. After that, we can take a screenshot actually from the screen, and then we have close ultrasound, close MRI. So it means if we have one image that has been opened, so top, which would be like as default ultrasound, we can close it, and we can also close the second one, which has been designed for MRI. Then we have the setting options. Here we can define at which interval we are going to save a project. So save every 9 minutes means that automatically after 9 minutes of opening a project, your project will be saved. So here let's look at the view menu. We have main toolbar, interaction, guides, access, and also some widgets like images for markers, for some segmentation intensity that you can see, for example, image and segmentation intensity here. Then we have tools menu that you can have undo and redo, which is for when you are doing segmentation. And then we have pre-processing menu that contains some kind of simple processing on the image, like masking or masking operation. And then we have segmentation, that to segment an image, like for brain extraction or for tissue segmentation. Some basic info of the image also can be seen here. Then we have the help menu, and you can find the manual and also the about option that will give you some information about software orders, as well as how to obtain further assistance or information about Melage. Here also, lastly, you can see the version of Melage, the current version that you are also working with. Here also you can see it, so it's the last version of Melage. Thank you for choosing Melage.